1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You call me on the telephone, you feel so far away. You tell me to come over, there's some games you wanna play. I'm walking to your house, nobody's home, just me and you and me alone. We're just playing hide and seek, it's getting hard to breathe under the sheets with you. I don't wanna play no games, I'm tired of always chasing after you. I don't really care about you anyways, whoever said I'm thinking about you. You never share your toys or communicate, I guess I'm just a play date to you. Wake up in your bedroom and there's nothing left to say. When I try to talk, you're always playing board games. I wish I had monopoly over your mind, I wish I didn't care all the time. We're just playing hide and seek, it's getting hard to breathe under the sheets with you. I don't wanna play no games, I'm tired of always chasing after you. I don't really care about you anyways, whoever said I'm thinking about you. You never share your toys or communicate, I guess I'm just a play date to you. Ring around the ROSIE, I never know what you need. Ring around the ROSIE, I wanna give you what you need. I don't really care about you anyways, whoever said I'm thinking about you. You never share your toys or communicate, I guess I'm just a play date to you. You know I really care about you every day, guess it's time that I tell you the truth. If I share my toys, will you let me stay? Don't wanna leave this play date with you. Hey, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future content coming from this channel. And also, I want to thank Leolani for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase this incredible T52 4G, which is a tenor size uke, and it's become my favorite ukulele to play just because the tone is incredible, it's very warm, it's very dynamic, expressive, and also the action is low, so it's easy to press down on those strings, and for the price that you pay for this instrument, you're going to get a lot of quality that you won't find elsewhere. So if you want to get your hands on this, then don't forget to click the link in my description box below. Again, thanks for checking out this channel, and if you want to hear some more music, then click on that link right over there. It's going to take you to another one of my ukulele play-alongs I think you're going to enjoy. Maybe you'll grab your ukulele and jam along with me, but whatever the case, I look forward to seeing you right over there.